So, since I've been ordered to move over to another ship, before I do this, I thought I was going to tell you what do I as a tour director bring with me while on tour in these COVID-19 times. So I'm gonna show you what I have in a whole bag, special bag, just for these purposes. Okay, well, first I have a whole bunch of Kleenex, just in case it's needed. You know, somebody with a sniffle or something, always useful. These masks. Then I have a spray spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol. And I also have 91% isopropyl alcohol. I have brought Clorox wipes. Oh, and here's another Clorox wipe bottle. I have some sanitary wipes, which I almost always have with me. A few extra of these. I have a pair of slippers from a hotel in Finland that I love. I have a whole bag here with gloves, mouth protectors or whatever, and vitamins, and oh wow, look at that. Is that a Trip School hand sanitizer? Trip School, you're always with me. And then I have a first aid kit in which I have a lot of stuff, but also a fever thermometer, which is super important. I also have little swabs, alcohol prep swabs. And then I have a whole bunch of hand sanitizers. Oh, here's another one. And oh my, there is, crikey. Oh, there's more and more. What else? More masks. And oh yeah, this is of course super important. A wrinkle release. I don't know why, but it's there. I have a big bottle of water. And most importantly, the most important disinfectant of them all, a nice bottle of wine. Yeah, I think that kind of concludes it.